Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Boutique by Astrid. It's your girl Astrid, and today I'm going to be doing a very simple French chocolate set. I'm so excited for you guys to see this. This is officially my first full set, all in French. It was kind of a challenge. I know I've done like one French here and there on some sets, but this time I was like, okay, I'm gonna see if I can do all of them and have them all looking consistent. So the acrylics I'm gonna be using today, I got from 𝘕𝘠𝘪𝘭. The dark kind of chocolatey color you can see there is called Latte. And the nuder one is called Skinny Dip. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of like frustrated because I did have a first section to this video, which was, you know, unboxing the acrylics and showing you guys the packaging and, you know, all of that good stuff. And I don't know what I'd done, but I edited the video and everything. And then when I went to open it back up and continue editing, it said that I had deleted the files for the first half of the video. So I tried to look for them and I couldn't find them. So boo, you know I love my unboxing. So yeah, I'm sorry guys, you now can just see me doing the set. I'm so glad I didn't delete all of this because I would have really been frustrated, okay? Because that's a good set. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am starting with the base color, which again is called Skinny Dip for anybody that missed that, from 𝘕𝘠𝘪𝘭. But yes guys, I really love the consistency of this acrylic. As you can see, it's not super runny. I don't know if I was getting my consistency right or if it was just the fact that these are really good acrylics. So I'm going to have to get a few more excuses for shopping. Okay, but yes, I was really loving it. And as you can see, it's not runny and it kind of holds its shape fairly well. Okay, so I gave it a really good go. And usually from my previous videos, you guys can tell the first nail I do, which is always the pinky, just comes out such a mess, honestly, and then I get the groove by like the third nail. But from the go, I was really loving it, and I put it into the best shape that I can put it in. The cuticles were looking right. It wasn't, you know, running over my edges or anything like that. So yeah, I was really loving this. Also, when it comes to the tip of the base that I'm doing, you know, you can see a point, right? They're pointed. So it also has to come up a little bit to have like this thick wall going down. And so on the sides of those walls, you want them to be like as thick as possible. Not as thick as possible, but thick enough to be able to file it into the perfect point. Or, you know, some people have it like an almond shape or oval shape. It depends on what type of French you do. But because I've got quite chubby fingers, I kind of like it to go into a point to give it more of like an elongated look. Okay, so yes, once I started to do the filing, I really started to love them. I was like able to see the finished look already. And again, you don't see me doing my thumb because I'm doing my thumb for TikTok, but now you can see the lids of the acrylic and the branding for 𝘕𝘠𝘪𝘭. I think I found these on eBay. I think it was eBay. And I kind of do love them, like seriously. They are so big as well. It's gonna take me a while to go through these, and they are core colors, so I will be using them quite a lot. Maybe not as much the chocolate one, but the nude one, which is the bigger one, I will be using. So I know nail techs don't usually do this, but I like to perfect the edges with my drill, which by the way has actually died on me, guys. I had it for a year. This thing costs £70. I don't know if I'm just reckless with my wires, because I'm the person that has to buy like a new phone charger like every 3 to 6 months, like I kid you not. So I don't think I'm very good with my wires, and this has taught me to definitely be careful with my equipment, because I've had to buy a new one and I wasn't going to spend that £70 again. I thought I would be able to just, you know, get the actual drill with the cable that goes into the Melody Susie what's the word I'm looking for here? Portable charger, but I couldn't. There is no replacement. They don't do that. I don't know why. So I had to buy an e-file that basically has to stay plugged in while I'm using it, which is kind of frustrating, but hey, we move, okay? We move. But onto the nails, girls. Oh my gosh, is anybody peeping how cute the base came out? Like, just came out too cute. And now I'm adding the chocolate. Guys, please, this color. Is this not the perfect chocolate for a French? Okay. I know everything comes in shades and everything, and we be loving shades and stuff, but just the contrast of this nude and chocolate was giving me life. Okay, I can tell now that on the corner of that thumb I didn't like e-file it down enough, but it's okay. Again, it's not going to be seen from the top. I just like to do that in case when I'm filing it down, I file down too far and you know that perfect edge isn't there. So that's the only reason why I really love to do it. Okay, also guys, I'm doing both hands. Oh my gosh, I actually just wanted to have a really cute set on for a minute. So yeah, I did have one of my friends asking me like, how do you do the other hand? Like, it looks so good. So I was kind of pleased with myself, I'm not gonna lie. It's been over a year now, guys, that I've really gotten into doing this. I think it's been a year since I've had my YouTube channel as well. So for all you know, just under 600 subscribers, I just want to say I do love you guys so much. I am trying to be as consistent as possible. I know right now it's taking me a couple weeks before I release another video, but honestly, I am, again, I mentioned in a previous video, I've had, you know, major life changes recently, and this year honestly has been like one of the toughest years for me, guys. I'm not going to lie. And you know, I'm just trying to juggle everything, you know, being a mum, you know, running my house, doing the nails, having clients, and also, guys, you know, I mentioned here and there that I do music. I'm a singer. So I've recently started my singing TikTok. If anybody cares, oh my gosh, it's ASTRIDE Sings, okay? I'm just like under 200 followers or whatever. So if you want to check me out, you know, the me behind the nails, feel free, and do drop me a comment. Let me know that it's you, okay, guys, because I'll be recognizing you, a lot of you in the comments, and I love you so much. Okay, so check that out. But yes, I am trying to get into the routine of doing everything. You know, I recently bought like this notepad diary thing that kind of, you know, I can list on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, everything that I'm going to do through the week. You know, I have my notes and everything. So I'm trying to get it all together. But I promise you guys, I will continue to give you guys nails. And for anyone that's watching for the first time, thank you so much. This actually means a lot. It takes a lot of effort to get these videos, you know, to the quality that I like and that I think you guys enjoy. So yes, I'm also wondering if I should do like short videos, because I watch nail videos as well, and minimum they're like 10 minutes long, and they go up to anything to like an hour. Okay, if you guys are really into the nail industry, nail videos on YouTube and stuff, you can literally watch nails for hours. It's insane. Okay, so I'm wondering if you guys would enjoy 5 minutes of me just showing how to do one nail, like a really good nail, certain techniques, you know, how to do gem placements and things like that, shaping, even just like showing the base of a French, just different things like that. So if you would like to see shorter videos that I can maybe post okay, I'm not going to give myself too much, but I'm going to start with weekly and see how it goes. But if they don't take too long to do an edit, then maybe I'll try and get it to an every other day basis. Okay, so, and if that works, then I might just keep it like that. Okay, but I do love to do my full sets as well. They just give me life, honestly. Plus, when I do my nails, I just love to put it out there. So again, in the comments, let me know if you would like to see short 5-minute videos, okay, with some tips. Okay guys, here we are. We're doing the final decor for the nails. I did super love the shaping. Oh my gosh, every edge came out, you know, as clear as possible. Even that thumb that I was saying, you can see it right now. It doesn't look so bad. I can see that I could have tucked it in a tiny bit more, but it's okay. Now I'm moving on to doing these like little caviar bead things, and I just wanted to make it a really simple design. When I put that little gold heart on there and it just fit perfectly, it was just meant to be, guys. It was just meant to be. Okay, so I did keep the rest of the nails really simple, and I thought I would just jazz up my ring finger as usual, because that is, you know, that's the important finger, guys, let's be real. Okay, but yeah, I mean, they're all important. Can you imagine just like not living with a pointer finger or something? Like, that's not cute. But yeah, no judgments out there or anything. We all know this is a positive channel. Okay, love for everyone. Okay, so guys, here we are, top coat. Okay, I had to make it shiny, guys, because I almost can already see it matted. So I was like, do you know what, this is just a super cute basic French, it has to be shiny. So I went in with my Manicure top coat. I am running out of like every top coat I have, so I'm not gonna lie, guys, I had like little bits left in maybe like 5 bottles, and I mixed them all together. Guys, and it worked a treat. Okay, I did have majority of the 𝑘𝐸𝑚𝑎 Sky left, so they're kind of all just jumbled in there. I kid you not, like 5 brand top coats. I was thinking they're probably all made of the same thing. Okay, maybe just slight difference in quality, but when I did use it, it was life. Okay, came out perfect. So the rest of this pink Manicure top coat is officially blended in there too, but we move again. We do what we got to do, ladies, okay, to keep it cute. So yes, after doing the top coat, you just want to run your fingers down the side so you're not having like a weird shape or anything. Cure it, add your cuticle oil. You know you have to add some cuticle oil, get all that dryness out of there, you know. Oh my gosh, guys, you have to peep it. On top of it smelling like pineapple, this is the dream, guys. I'm looking at these nails right now and I want to get them back. But yes, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. And for everyone that is watching this for the first time, again, thank you so much. I love you so much. I will do more. Bye.